Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Imam Ali alayhi salam says, whoever adopts greed as a habit devalues himself. Whoever discloses his hardships in front of everyone agrees to be humiliated. Whoever allows his tongue to overpower his soul debases the soul. If a person follows by this saying of Imam Ali alayhi salam, he is sure to never face humiliation in his life. Imam Ali tells us to do away with empty wishes. Now, what are empty wishes referred to here? People have wishes like going to Karbala, visiting Karbala, going on Hajj, helping someone in need. These are not empty wishes. But greed, the wish of having more of everything, is an empty wish. There is no boundary to the word more. That is why it is referred to as an empty wish. That is why it is being said that a person who is involved in greedy deeds and has the want of having more of everything has devalued his soul and sold it to greed. It is also being said that a person who recites his hardships and struggles in front of everyone is bound to get humiliated. Now, there are two separate cases here. People may tell about their hardships to their friends and family because they want to share their emotions. But a person who tells about his struggles in the open to get preferences or to get looked upon or in hope of help is bound to get disrespected and humiliated. Because unless you show and tell people who you are and what you face, people will always look at you with eyes of respect. Telling others about your hardships is humiliating yourself, because as soon as you tell even one person about your hardship, everyone soon or later will know what you have faced and your respect in the society will be tarnished. Also, if you are asking someone for help by telling your hardships, you are still disrespecting yourself and humiliating yourself, because as soon as the other person helps you, you become dependent upon him. That is why Amir al-Mu'mineen says that if you want help, always ask someone who is already well off on his own and would safeguard your respect. The third part of the saying says that a person who has lost control of his tongue has disrespected his soul and is bound to get embarrassed, because he has lost control of something that he should have always kept control on. So, to summarize, Amir al-Mu'mineen says to never indulge in greedy deeds if you don't want to tarnish the respect you have. Never recite your hardships to everyone if you don't want to become a source of laughter. And lastly, keep your tongue in your own control. Speak only what is necessary and speak only when necessary. May Allah give us the power to understand and follow the teachings of Imam Ali alayhi salam. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.